Hello, Plunkers.
Daft Scots last year, and today I thought I'd vlog outside. You know what they say? Change is as good as a holiday. Hello. Speaking of holidays, it's probably about 7-8 weeks to go before we go on our holiday. I've planned to go down to the south coast, where my mum and dad live in KwaZulu-Natal, and spend 5 days there at the beach, and also visiting my folks. By the time we go down there in December, I haven't seen my mum for a year. We talk often on the phone, but it's not quite the same as, you know, giving her a cuddle and sitting down and having a cup of tea with her and just having a good old natter. Chin wag.
Hello, Plunkers.
Anyway, seeing as this is my first time vlogging outside and actually holding the camera, it's always inside for me, so this is a bit new, and I must say it's not too bad. I think maybe just the audio might be a wee bit crappy, so we'll see. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. Normally I'm sort of sitting at a desk or sitting in my bedroom, so I don't really have to worry about light or bad audio and that kind of thing. I think that's what I often worry about when I'm doing a vlog outside, that, you know, it's too noisy, because we live in a really busy street, and I'm not too sure whether you'll actually get to hear my voice or whether you're listening to the cars. As you can see, my doggy kept me awake last night. I'm so tired. Up again at 4 this morning, and then the kids woke me up, so not much of a lie-in, I'm afraid. Hopefully tomorrow she might let me have a wee bit of a lie-in, seeing as it's Sunday. What do you think? Check this out. Wanted to show you the scratches. Seeing as Emma's still really wee, she seems to think that I'm her mother, and that my neck is one of her teats, and so last night she really had a good go at me. Check the scratch marks out. Yeah, she had a good old suck on my neck when I was sleeping, and this morning I was wondering why my neck was so damn tender, and there you go. Well, it's tender because she's been scratching and biting my neck. Still love her to death. She's still dead cute. Ah, she's just a wee sweetheart. Love you, Emma. Oh well then. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go and visit the blog. Leave a comment or 2 or 3 or 5. And have an awesome weekend. Bye. See you later. Bye, Plunkers. Cheers. Love a good glass of plunk.
Stick around. You figure it out.
Hong Kong Phooey, #1 super guy. Hong Kong Phooey, quicker than the human eye.